Welcome to 31 Days to Learn Programming. In Week 1, we embark on a crucial journey into the programmer's mindset. This foundational chapter will teach you how to think like a developer, empowering you to approach and solve complex problems with ease and confidence. Welcome to Chapter 1, The Programmer's Mindset. Throughout this lesson, we will explore why adopting the right mindset is paramount. We'll delve into understanding that coding extends far beyond merely writing syntax, how a robust approach can prevent common pitfalls like burnout and frustration, and ultimately, how great programmers distinguish themselves as professional problem solvers. A core aspect of the programmer's mindset is effectively solving problems with consistent practice. This means learning to break down large, daunting challenges into smaller, more manageable steps. Before you even touch the keyboard, it's vital to write down your logic, outlining your approach. Consistent daily practice is also key to building strong muscle memory in your coding skills. And remember, the focus should always be on making consistent progress over a series of long, marathon coding sessions. Another crucial element of a programmer's mindset is embracing bugs and frustration as an inherent part of the development process. Expect errors. They are not personal failures but valuable clues guiding you toward a solution. When you find yourself completely stuck, it's often best to step away and take a break. Most importantly, understand that every bug you successfully solve contributes directly to making you a more skilled and resilient programmer. As we integrate these principles, remember the key strategies we've discussed for cultivating an effective programmer's mindset. Always break down large problems into tiny, actionable steps. Make it a habit to practice coding a little bit every day to reinforce your learning. Learn to see bugs not as obstacles, but as invaluable opportunities to learn and grow. And finally, maintain patience and perseverance, especially when your code doesn't immediately work as expected. Let's summarize Chapter 1, The Programmer's Mindset. We've established that adopting the right mental framework is critical for success in programming. This includes breaking problems into smaller parts, consistently practicing your craft, viewing bugs as learning opportunities, and developing patience when facing challenges. You've now hit a significant milestone by engaging with these foundational concepts, and that's truly worth celebrating. Keep this momentum going by enrolling in our free Introduction to Programming course. Each lesson there builds directly on the powerful insights you've gained this week, guiding you further on your path. You can enroll for free at destinlearning.com to continue launching your future in code.